It's the end of summer, so it's time to give you guys a quick tour. That's up next. Hello everyone, this is Dwayne with Edge of Nowhere Farm, and today is September 25th, 2022. It's been a while since we've given you guys a full tour of the farm, so we figure, hey, end of September, end of summer, let's get to it. We're gonna start right here at the front of the farm. Everything that you're gonna be seeing up here are evergreen trees. Behind me, I'm flanked by our white and pink guavas. Beautiful trees that stay green all year. Here at the end of summer, they're very happy. We're here on our main poultry pasture. You can see I've got one of my Jennies that is a little beat up because she's starting to molt. But we have our broiler chickens here on the farm. Those we always bring in the fall for our first batch. Hi, girl. So they're here, and actually we have more livestock on the farm right now than we do any other time of year. Not just these guys that are here all the time. Our vineyard garden, half of it is green. The other half is waiting for the fall crops to go in here in another week or two. But these sweet potatoes look fantastic. And we still have jalapenos coming off those bushes that have just hung in there and thrived all summer long. One of the things that we've been very happy with this summer is a tremendous amount of rain. We've had rain almost every week, essentially since July. So what you see around me here is completely natural desert pasture. We've actually started putting the goats on here, and what we're noticing very quickly is that we should have a good chance of being able to get a desert pasture for our goats and eventually some sheep. What we've been focusing on the last couple of years is getting the farm business in place, and more importantly, cash flow, in order to start working on the back half of the property. We have about 3 acres that's designated for other things, more permaculture type projects, where we're really establishing desert fauna like this, and desert pasture, kind of a silvopasture is what we're headed for. You can see how well this tree is done because we had a lot of rain and we have flooding back here, very, very light flooding, and it's done wonders for these desert trees that are here completely natural. The goal is to get more of these all through the back here, and we could run livestock through it. Back up to the front, this is our berry area, a tremendous amount of lush growth. You'll see the loofah above me here across some cattle panels. Yesterday we actually harvested a few Primark blackberries. That was surprising to see here at the end of September. But this lush green part of this is our outbuilding is behind us here. We have downspouts from our rain gutters. They all pour down into this area here, saturates the ground for us in this area, and you can see the explosion of green around me here. There's only a couple times of the year that we really look forward to the weather. Now is definitely one of those as we head into one of the most beautiful times of year here in Arizona and in desert areas in general. You get into the fall and through early spring, it's about as good as it gets. And of course, what we're really looking forward to are those wintertime harvests. So just want to thank you for joining us today. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. We cover a lot of things here on this newly established functioning farm here in the Arizona desert and would love to see you on a regular basis. Any questions or comments, please leave those in the comment section down below. And our Amazon shop, I'll leave a link down in the description. That is a free, painless way to help support the channel. If you start with the link down below, it doesn't matter what you buy, you help to support us here. So just want to thank you for joining us today and remind you, if we can farm on the edge of nowhere, so can you.